Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we have an amazing product to share with you, this Andar Pilot Wallet. Before going through its features, let's do a quick unboxing and see what comes in the box. To be honest, the packaging looks really sleek, inside which when you open it, you get this welcoming card thanking you for buying this product obviously and some discount codes. And then comes this bag which feels really good, and inside that we finally have the wallet, the Andar Pilot Wallet. This smart pull-out leather minimalist wallet is a must-have for those who value style and functionality. Let's jump right in and explore its features. Feast your eyes on the sleek and sophisticated Andar Pilot Wallet. It's crafted with precision using high-quality genuine leather, ensuring durability and luxurious feel. Take a closer look at the slim profile and minimalist design. It's the perfect blend of elegance and practicality, designed to hold all your essentials without adding unnecessary bulk. Now, let's dive into the wallet's smart pull-out mechanism. With a simple tug, the cards smoothly slide out in a staggered arrangement, allowing you to easily access each card without any hassle. This intuitive feature makes it a breeze to find the card you need, saving you time and eliminating the frustrations of searching through a traditional wallet. Along with the convenient card slots, the Andar Pilot Wallet also includes a dedicated cash pocket. You can neatly fold your bills and keep them securely in place. One of the best things about this wallet is its slim and compact design. It fits comfortably in your pocket without creating a bulky or uncomfortable feeling. What sets the Andar Pilot Wallet apart is its smart combination of style and security. It features RFID-blocking technology, which protects your cards from unauthorized scanning and keeps your personal information safe. With this wallet, you can have peace of mind knowing that your sensitive information is shielded from potential threats. The Andar Pilot Wallet is perfect companion. It offers a seamless blend of style, convenience, and security, making it an essential accessory for modern lifestyle. Now that we are done with its features, let's talk about my personal experience of using this wallet over the past week. As mentioned, it feels really good in the hand. Usability wise, it's great. I was able to find my cards very easily every time. There is a satisfying feeling the way it holds the cards. And also when you push those cards in, it feels really smooth. You have to feel it yourself to understand what I'm talking about. It can easily fit 7 cards in the main compartment plus 2 cards, probably like health insurance card and driving license, in the front pocket. In the past, with some of the smart pull-out kind of wallets, there has been issue when it comes to handling of metal cards like this Apple card or Chase Reserve card. But with this Andar Pilot Wallet, that is not an issue, and I was able to use both my metal cards along with 5 other cards. Now let's talk about something I feel could have been better: the strap to hold the cash or the pocket. I like to keep some cash on me all the time, but I don't want it to be visible every time I pull out my wallet to pay for something. While the pocket in the front can conceal the cash, it also limits the number of cards you can carry. Additionally, I am slightly worried that the pocket may not be secure enough to hold just few bills. It's great for holding more bills like 7, 8, 10 bills, but for just 1 or 2 bills, I feel like they might not be tightly secured. In my use of this wallet so far, I have just loved it and was looking for something like this for a very long time. That wraps up our review of the Andar Pilot Wallet, a smart pull-out leather minimalist wallet that redefines the way you carry your essentials. If you're interested in getting one for yourself or as a gift, check out the link in the video description below. I do have one disclaimer though. Andar sent me this wallet for review but did not pay me anything for it. And all the points mentioned in this video are my own without any interference from them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such honest reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.